The Outwell Oakdale offers 3-zone versatility, a cozy wing lounge area and dark premier bedrooms for maximum camping comfort. Magnetic closure offers quick, convenient and silent access between zones. The doors roll to the side and toggle back to fully open. The wing lounge area really adds to the living space and can be used for dining, relaxing or simply used as added storage. Thank you very much for watching. For all the details available for the lovely Oakdale 5PA, come visit us at outwell.com.